XMOTOS gang, what is going on? This your boy G So Creative back with another video. This is a little short video. Me and my son, we out here trying to get everything together. We got some trails that we're gonna ride on. Probably the same trail that we rode the four-wheelers on. We're gonna ride. I'm gonna ride this dirt bike on because I want to share with you guys a little something real quick. Now, if you take your brake, I just got my brake in from Upstate Cycle, so we're good to go. They got it fixed for me. I got everything good to go. So my problem on this end is what I did wrong. So if you go to take this tire off, you'll notice you got a spacer on this side and you got a spacer on this side. Now, the long spacer don't need to be on the right side if you're sitting on the dirt bike. So this will be my left, your right if you're sitting on a dirt bike. This long spacer need to be on this side where the rotary is. The short spacer need to be on that side. And the reason I say that is because if you don't have the spacers right, when you got them on here, you'll notice when you go to put your brake on, the screws will be too long. And when you go to screw it in, it's going to go past the disc brake, which won't allow you to turn. And that's because you got too much wheel sitting over on this side. So that's an important factor that I didn't mention in none of my videos that I should have been mentioning about, but I never had an issue where I had to take these brakes off, so that was the issue that I just ran into. So I just want to let you guys know that right there. I always make sure your spacer, your longest spacer, is on the left side of the tire. That's in the direction of you sitting on the bike to make it easier. So me, on the other hand, I got it on the wrong side. I wasn't paying attention, so now I got to take the tire back off. Then I got to redo the process because I put the brake on, kind of find out the screws were looking like they were too long, and I'm like, I know these screws fit last time. So that's the problem. Everything is sitting too close. As a matter of fact, you can see how close that rotary is to that bar. So it don't need to be like that. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys in case you trying to figure out what's going on your brakes, if the screws too long. You know what I'm saying? Common sense. I just didn't use it. So I got the spacer turned on this side, so now you see that it's spaced away from the shock instead of up on it. That's the position you want when you put your brakes on, and then all your screws will line up. So this will go on here like so. I got to put the little spacers on the brake also. Y'all, I got the brake cable set, so only thing I got to do now is go ahead and run my lines all the way up to the handlebars, which is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to run this around this one. That's your secure bracket. Then you're going to come back up through here. You're going to open this up. Lay that cable down through there like that. And then you're going to lay your bar on there. Screw it on. Make sure you got brake fluid in there. So Upstate Cycle did look out for me because they drilled this screw out. And, which was on this side, they put a burr in it, got it out, put me another screw in there. So that's one helpful place that you can go to and don't have to worry about nothing. But yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna throw that on, and then later on we'll get set up to ride. I appreciate y'all looking at this channel, man. Appreciate y'all for subscribing, liking, commenting. Son finna start a bonfire over here. The cool's still leaking. Cut the gas off. That's mud coming out that gas. That's the problem right there. You got mud up in the intake. That's why I stalled out on you.